In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually upgrade your axe in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. So you're going to begin by actually upgrading your crafting bench, and this is really important because you're going to need it to actually get these different recipes. So as you can see, mine is fully upgraded, but there will be an option right here to upgrade your crafting bench. Now, after that, you are going to unlock these different recipes. So if I want the uncommon one, I'm just going to need some bones and some wooden rods. Wooden rods, you're just going to need some wood and then use it in the lumber mill to make the wooden rods. For the next upgrade, I'm going to need some cut amber, so I'm going to need to go around the Dry Valley Hills and then also some knotroot rods. And then for the forest axe, the epic one, you're going to need some copper bars and some knotroot rods. So basically all you have to do is upgrade your crafting bench and then get the necessary resources. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.